slide 30, yes. So we are almost done the unit. We're going to talk about analyzing puzzles and games. And then there's going to be a poster at the end of it, and then that's it. There's no test, the poster, the other poster that you did, the infographic, and all the assignments are going to be covering you for this unit, so there'll be no test, no final project. So consider the following. 3 students are playing a game. 2 of the students flip a coin and the third student records the score. Student 1 gets a point if the result is 2 heads. Student 2 gets a point if the result is 2 tails. Student 3 gets a point if the result is a head and a tail. The first student to get to 10 points wins. Which student would you prefer to be? 1, 2, or 3? What is the reason for your preference? Write a conjecture in your notebook and explain. So I want you to pause it and write a conjecture. Remember, a conjecture is like a hypothesis. Now let's find out. So today what you're going to do, or tomorrow if you're listening to this tonight, I need you to get into groups. Since there's only 3 of you, you are all one big group. And I want you to play some of these games that we're going to talk about today. So you're going to play the coin flip game. And then you're going to analyze a few games and puzzles with inductive and deductive reasoning to try and produce winning strategies. Your goal is to work with a partner, so work with the 3 of you, to come up with a winning strategy for at least one of the following options. Ideally, you will do this for more than one. So I want you to come up with a winning strategy for each one. So a leapfrog puzzle. Move all 3 green frogs to the rocks on the right and all 3 brown frogs to the rocks on the left. Frogs cannot move backwards and can only hop over 1 frog at a time. So I want you to come up with a winning strategy for this game. Work together. You can even try and play it. I'll give you a link online or try and find something that you can do. But do not play leapfrog in the hallway. Darts. Frank and Tara are playing darts. Using the given rules, their scores are shown below. To win, Frank must reduce his score to exactly 0 and have his last counting dart be a double. So Frank and Tara, there is all the scores. So I want you to come up with a winning strategy for this game. And then there's the toothpick game. 2 students are playing a toothpick game. They place a pile of 20 toothpicks on a desk and alternate turns. 1 each turn, the player can take 1 or 2 toothpicks from the pile. The player to remove the last toothpick is the winner. The students flip a coin to see who goes first. Once you've completed your winning strategy, so as a group, once you've completed this, choose one of them to create a poster for. So since there's 3 of you, or 4 of you in the class, I should say, I want you to each complete a different poster. So make sure to include the original puzzle along with a detailed explanation of your strategy. Also explain whether your solution used inductive or deductive reasoning and why you believe so. And that is the end of Unit 1. All right, your poster will be due on Monday.